Let us solve this JEE Main 2024 Thermodynamics PYQ in the shortest possible way. We have an ideal gas undergoing a cyclic process in 3 stages. The gas starts at pressure P0 and volume V0. First, it undergoes isothermal expansion from V0 to 4V0. Then it is isobarically compressed back to V0. Finally, it is heated isochorically to return back to the initial state. We need to find the total amount of heat exchanged in this entire process. Spot the shortcut. This is a cycle, so the gas finally returns to its initial state. Therefore, this is a cycle. Isothermal expansion from 1 to 2, isobaric compression from 2 to 3, and isochoric heating from 3 to 1. So the gas finally returns to its initial state. Therefore, change in internal energy over the complete cycle is 0. From the first law of thermodynamics, Q equals delta U plus W. For the complete cycle, delta U is 0. Therefore, heat of the cycle is nothing but work of the cycle. So instead of calculating heat separately in all 3 stages, we only need the net work done. That's the key shortcut. Work done in isothermal expansion from 1 to 2. In this first stage, pressure into volume remains constant. Initially, P1 V1 equals P0 V0. At the end, P2 is 4 V0 here. Therefore, P2 will be P0 upon 4. For an isothermal process, work done from 1 to 2 is P0 V0 ln4. P0 V0 ln4 is 2 ln2. So W12 will be 2 P0 V0 ln2. This work is positive because the gas is expanding. Next, work in isobaric compression. Now the gas is compressed at constant pressure. The pressure during this stage is P2 equals P0 by 4. The volume changes from 4 V0 to V0. Therefore, work done from 2 to 3 will be P delta V. P is P0 by 4 and change in volume delta V. V0 minus 4 V0. P0 by 4 minus 3 V0. So W23 will be minus 3 P0 V0 upon 4. The negative sign makes sense because this is compression. Work in isochoric process. In the final stage, the volume remains constant. For an isochoric process, from 3 to 1, change in volume delta V is 0. V0 is same. So, work from 3 to 1 is also 0. Net work is work of whole cycle is W12 plus W23 plus W31. That will be 2 P0 V0 ln2 minus 3 P0 V0 upon 4 P0 V0 into 2 ln2 minus 3 by 4 0.75. Since the cycle has 0 net change in internal energy, work of whole cycle is P0 V0 times 2 ln2 minus 0.75. Therefore, total amount of heat exchanged during the whole process Q is P0 V0 into 2 ln2 minus 0.75, and hence correct answer option is A, P0 V0 into 2 ln2 minus 0.75. Exam trick: whenever you see a complete cycle process, immediate think delta U equals 0. Therefore, net heat exchanged equals net work done. Then calculate only the work for each stage, and remember isothermal W is nRT ln V2 upon V1. Isobaric W is P times V2 minus V1. Isochoric W is 0. This saves a lot of unnecessary calculation. For more JEE Main PYQs, keep practicing and I will see you in the next problem.